show what it looks like. Everything, the lathe, MIG welder, Lincoln welder, air compressor, English wheel, a 60-gallon air compressor, a full-size mill machine, plasma cutter, arc welder down there. This has a built-in arc welder, shop vac, and we got this drill press at the swap meet. Me and my dad cut off, and here's a wood cut off, and another cordless drill. There's a scroll saw, another little drill press, and this is a micro drill press, and then I got a slip roller. Here's a solder station. There's a hydraulic manual press, disc sander, buffer wheel, 2 horsepower bench grinder, another small bench grinder, 6-inch. There's a belt bandsaw. Here's a belt sander. Everything in here. I got a set of 2 bender dies with the 2 bender setup out in the backyard. Those are not cheap. Those are over $200 a piece, and the bottom on the 2-inch one was like a $380 die. Everything in this toolbox. Fluke voltmeter. Everything here is thousands of dollars worth of small tools. Every piece by piece. Everything up there. And the Hilti hammer drill. Settling oxygen with a cutter. Paint supplies. All the paint and you know, just primers and stuff like that. Basically, this is what it is. I hope I still have them all.